What's up guys? So today we have some behind the scenes footage from an engagement shoot at the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. I was only able to capture just a small snippet from the engagement shoot. I did pretty much forget to turn on the GoPro for most of the day, so that was a face palming moment. But anyways, I do have some footage and I want to show you guys. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you some other photos from the same engagement shoot. So let's get to it. All right, so right here I'm pretty much just going for a little silhouette style photo. I noticed this big window, and anytime I see something like that, I go for something like this. Wow, this is awesome. Man, it's cool. Man, that was so cool. So I want to show you guys a little bit. So I like to give a little sneak peek during the shoot just because I think it helps to build confidence, and it's pretty cool to look and be like, yo, my photographer's actually taking some pretty cool photos. This is exciting. We're super stoked. So they enjoyed that, and then here I'm just backing up to get a little bit of a wider shot, a landscape style shot here. So just kind of getting some other options in terms of the photos and how they look. And then right here I'm going to get a little bit closer now, and I'm pulling up my prism. The prism helps get some really cool reflection shots like this. Man, you guys are awesome. You guys are doing perfect. I have one more idea. We're going to use this wall real quick. Okay. And then Mark, I'm going to have you hold this with your left hand, and you're just going to point it at the wall. Nice and close. Yeah, I'm going to have to add more power to this. Give me one sec. And then can I have you raise the light a little bit higher, Mark? You can interact. You can put your hands on each other. Oh, man. There you go. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Cool. All right, now I promise we can move now. Here are some more photos from this engagement session. As you're gonna see, I like to get a good blend of creative, epic photos along with the more traditional couples photos, which are just as important as the creative ones. So this was just a fun time. We took some more photos here inside the library, and then we eventually went outside and took some photos outdoors and around the block here in DC. So it was just a great time. I really enjoyed getting to know Sue and Mark and eventually photographing their wedding. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring more videos for you.